Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the MEXC trading app on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Then you can tap on the search box and just type in MEXC to begin your search. Once you find the MEXC Buy Bitcoin app, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the MEXC application on your device. Just wait for a while until the process is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button, which you can tap on to open up the app. You also have the auto open toggle, which you can turn on to open up the app once the installation is done automatically. And now, once the application is opened up, you can sign up and create a new account or log into your existing one to start using the MEXC app on your device right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the MEXC application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.